And, oh, hey James, what are you doing? What does it look like? That Thomas, since Thomaston is not here apparently, and Toby's away, I have to take care of their coaches, and then they're annoying. Hey, annoying, I say. I'll just get used to it. They're our friends, James. Yeah, sure, I will. Anyway. Now, how about you, lazy coaches? We've got passengers to take. You need to slow down, James. Agree. I can't wet floor. Slow down, James. Slow down. No way. We'd go sooner. I'll go back to my shed. But you go, the sooner will we trouble. Oh, like what? Oh, like what? What can he? Oh my god! I just had him. Oh my god, James! You hit Kenny. You bastard! Sorry. Hey, I'm sorry. He can't be dead, can he? Can't be that, can he? Yep, he's a... Whatever. Thanks a lot, James.